Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with a tutorial. The reason I am applauding is because I have been slacking. I have been not doing tutorials, but I wanted to get back to it. And this is what I came up with. Very fall-y look. If you guys want to know how I created this eye look, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, I know this is kind of a dramatic look, but I like it. And it does have a little bit of a pop of light. And I just wanted to try something different. So, try to get out of my neutrals, my beiges, I still have a beige in here. Does not matter because we are going to go ahead and recreate this look, alright? So, I have already prepped my eyelid and I am going to go ahead. My first color that I am going to be using is going to be off of, it's a mixture guys, they're not all on the same palette. So this one, the first color that I'm going to go in with is going to be this one right here. And that one is going to go in my outer corner and in my crease. Now that I kind of have built it just a tad bit, the next color that I'm going to go in with, and I am going to go in with the same brush, is going to be this color right here. And this is Buns. That is going to go in the same place. It's just to give a little bit of depth. You guys know I'm all about eye depth. Now that we're at this point, this look is really not that hard, guys. Now that we're at this point, we are going to go ahead and grab a more tapered fluffy brush. And we are going to go in with the color Jax right here, which is this kind of burgundy color. With this, we are going to tap it on our outer corner. Super soft flicking motions. Going in with that first fluffy brush that we had used, just go ahead and go over it just to clean up the edges and to make everything transition pretty seamless and to just not have any harsh edges between our, softer color and our burgundy. And you can always go back in and just keep on building the pigment or the intensity of that burgundy color, because on this eye it does look more intense, so I am just going to go ahead and build it just a little bit more. Alright, now that we have that and it looks pretty blended on top, I know that towards the front of the eye it kind of looks like it's really intense. That's okay. I'm going to grab my Crown flat brush. We are going to go into our Morphe 35O palette just because this has a beautiful almost white color that looks like this. And I'm not wanting to make it shimmery because we are going to have a pop in the inner corner. So I am going to go ahead and pack my brush with that white color and I'm just going to place it in the inner part of my eye. Alright, now we're going to go back in with our first brush. We're just going to go over if we had any excess or any powder that flew on the top of our eye. We're just going to go ahead and just blend that. Now, you're going to grab your burgundy brush and you are going to start flicking it in towards the white. So now I have that little pop of color once again. And this is all you have to do for pretty much the top part of the eye. Grabbing that burgundy Jax color again from the Jaclyn Morphe Hill palette, you are going to go ahead and grab the same brush if you'd like. You can also grab a smudger brush. I just think this works fine. So I'm going to go ahead and look up and just start smudging it under my eye. I'm going to go ahead and apply eyeliner and eyelashes off camera and I will be back in just a second. Alright, now that I've done all of this and I really like it, I am a deep, dark soul person. You guys already know this, so I literally just tried on my Candy K from Kylie Jenner and it was too soft for me personally. I'm going to go ahead and grab my Beauty Creations Angel Glow. I'm going to go in with my Alamar Cosmetics brush and I'm going to go in with this first shade right here. And you know what? Why not? I'm going to put some Fix Plus on it. This is the final look. If you guys like this, don't forget to like my video, comment down below if you would like to see more tutorials because I have been slacking, and subscribe to my channel.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
And I will catch you in the next one.